And this occurred about 8 years ago. He was doing okay. Then he got into a car wreck a couple of months back in January, hurt his back once again. Insurance is calling it pre-existing, but he says he was fine until the wreck. Can the insurance company deny Earl's claim?
Earl, the insurance company's most bogus defense is that you have a pre-existing condition. If you think about it, everyone has pre-existing conditions. As soon as they reach the age of 30, you have pre-existing conditions. Your body wears out over time. But that makes you more susceptible to injury. And when you have a pre-existing condition that's been injured, the injury is much more serious than it would have been ordinarily. It takes longer to heal. The results of the healing are not as good. And in many cases, it turns into a chronic pain problem. The way I like to explain it to jurors and explain it to doctors is, I want you to tell me who comes to your office that's not experiencing pain. And almost to the 100%, they'll say they come because they're experiencing pain. If you had gone a long period of time and didn't need to see a doctor, that's a pretty clear indicator that you had recovered from the prior injury. The injury is going to be there, some semblance of it's always going to be there. But if you suffer a subsequent injury, the injury is worse, it takes longer to heal, and you go to the doctor for pain treatment to relieve that pain and hopefully get as well as you can. So ignore that defense, it's bogus. And it's much more likely that your injury is worse than you think because you do have a pre-existing condition.